In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into an Unbounce landing page. We're going to walk through the full process of placing your Typeform directly onto your page so visitors can interact with it without leaving your site. This is a simple setup, and once it's in place, it can make your landing page feel much more seamless and professional. To begin, log into Typeform and open the form you want to use. Once you're inside the form, go to the Share tab. This is where Typeform gives you different ways to distribute your form, including links and embed options. Look for the embed code, then copy it exactly as provided. This code is what allows the form to display properly on your landing page, so make sure you copy the full snippet before moving on. Next, open your landing page in the Unbounce page builder. If you manage multiple pages, take a second to confirm you're editing the correct one. This helps avoid publishing changes to the wrong page by mistake. Once the builder is open, navigate to the section of the page where you want the Typeform to appear. Think about placement from the visitor's perspective. Usually it works best in a clear, visible area where people are already expecting to take action. Now drag a custom HTML element onto that section of the page. In Unbounce, this element is used anytime you want to insert third-party code, such as an embedded form. After placing it on the page, open the HTML window connected to that element. Paste the Typeform embed code into the HTML window. Be careful not to remove or change any part of the code, since even a small edit can stop the form from displaying correctly. Once it's pasted in, close the window, and give Unbounce a moment to load the embedded content. If needed, you can resize or reposition the HTML element so the form fits neatly within your layout and looks balanced with the rest of the page design. Finally, save your changes and publish the page. Publishing is the step that makes your updates live, so don't skip it. After your page is published, it's a good idea to preview or visit the live page yourself and test the form. That way, you can confirm it loads correctly and works smoothly for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform into your Unbounce landing page.